Have you heard of Snapchat streaks or had a friend want to start one with you but not exactly sure how they work? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll explain how to get and keep Snapchat streaks going. Now let's get started. I'll start with explaining how Snapchat streaks work. Streaks on Snapchat are just a fun way to keep track of how many days you and a friend have sent each other snaps. Only photo and video snaps will count towards your streak, so any text chats sent will not count. Once you and a friend have consistently sent each other a snap for 3 days in a row, you'll see a flame emoji and a number appear beside that friend's name in your Snapchat app. This will keep track of how long your streak is. Note that you can only have streaks with an individual friend on Snapchat. Streaks won't work for group conversations. Now, to keep your Snapchat streak going, you and your friend will both need to send each other a picture or video snap every day. Within a 24-hour period, you and your friend each need to send a minimum of 1 snap to each other. If you see an hourglass icon next to your friend's name, that means your streak is about to expire and you should send another snap soon. If you allow over 24 hours to pass without sending a snap to this friend, your streak will expire and you'll have to start over. It's fairly simple to get and keep a streak on Snapchat as long as you're consistent with it. See how long you and your friends can keep your streak going. That's all it takes to start and keep a streak on Snapchat. For more helpful Snapchat tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Snapchat tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.